When it comes to creating, we all do have fears, but we want to replace them with more positive and empowering beliefs. Welcome to this new rambling where my goal is to inspire you to explore your creativity. Today I'm sharing some tips and affirmations that can help you overcome limiting beliefs you may have about creativity. The goal here is to help you embrace your artistic self-worth, legitimacy, and uniqueness. The first limiting belief is about self-worth. It's when you feel not good enough, meaning that you should be more trained, motivated, qualified, and so on and so forth. My advice for you is to allow yourself to take baby steps to work on your creations day after day. What you can do now is give yourself 10 to 20 minutes to brainstorm on a project that you've been putting off for a while. Then you will decide if you want to go on with it or not. Chances are that this is going to give you the motivation you need to continue. Now affirm with me. I have the right to be a beginner. The second limiting belief is about legitimacy. It's when you feel like you don't have enough support or that you should be more down to earth, realistic, pragmatic. In order to fight this belief, I'll advise you to allow yourself to have fun and to create stuff that really delights your own self. If you don't know where to start, I suggest you read the book called The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. This can give you ideas to unravel your artistic dreams and talents. If you're interested in this topic, I could make a video about the book. You just have to let me know in the comments if you want me to do it. Now affirm with me. I have the right to do what makes me happy. The last limiting belief is about uniqueness. It's when you feel like not having anything to offer that hasn't been done before, or that you should be more original, imaginative, genius. Something that could help you with this is to allow yourself to imagine what you would like to see be created in this world, because that is going to become your inspiration to do what you want your own way. Now affirm with me. I have the right to use my gifts. That's all for now. Thank you for joining me. Remember to take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.